morning and welcome back to my channel. Please bear with me, I got a horrible headache today. But we're gonna go run some errands. I need to run to Walmart and get my groceries, but I also want to run to Trader Joe's. There's a few things that obviously I can only get there. So when I get back, I'll at least do a Trader Joe's haul. I'm not gonna do a Walmart one because I buy the bulk of my groceries there. And then later this afternoon, I'd like to try to get into making homemade Chex Mix. It's one of my favorite things to make around this time of year, so I can give it out to others and then just have it as a snack. So we'll get into that later, but for now we need to head out so I can get to the store before it gets too late and before it starts raining, because I don't like bringing groceries in the rain. So I'll try to get some clips while I'm out, and then when I get back, like I said, I'll do a Trader Joe's haul. Alright, I'm back. Still didn't find everything. I'm gonna have to run to Food Line to see if I can find the rest of it, but I do want to go through the Trader Joe's haul with you and a couple treats that I picked up from Walmart actually. So the first thing I got was, this is from Walmart, Celestial Seasonings Peppermint Tea. I actually really enjoy this in the winter. It's just a nice sweet treat in the evening. And then I did see peppermint bark coffee K-Cups. I'm hoping it tastes good. I've never tried it, but I thought that might be a nice little treat here and there in the morning. And then from Trader Joe's, I bought the iconic sourdough bread everyone's talking about. I've never actually bought it, so I'm eager to try it. And then I picked up blueberries. I put this in my oatmeal in the morning. These orange chicken, these are my absolute favorite. I bought 2 of them because I live kind of further away, but they make great dinners and they're easy. And then the other frozen thing I got was the jasmine rice. Again, it's just quick. I buy white rice, I have it all the time. But these are nice to go with the orange chicken sometimes if you're making the dinner on the fly. And then the last thing in this bag is a turmeric shot. I just thought I'd give it a try. I don't think I've ever tried this brand. I usually get, I think it's called Suja or something from Walmart, but I just thought I'd give this one a whirl. And then the last thing I got, or not last, but I got 2 boxes of these instant oatmeal. These ones from Trader Joe's are like my favorite. They keep me fuller so much longer than like regular Quaker. So I try to keep these on hand, especially in the winter, because I do eat this a lot. The only Christmassy treat I picked up were these. Somebody was saying that they're a lot like a Thin Mint cookie, so I thought I'd give them a try. My Trader Joe's didn't have as much of the Christmas stuff as I was kind of hoping for. Picked up liquid stevia. I thought I'd give that a whirl because I definitely know I need to cut down on my sugar intake, so this might be a good way to do it in my coffee. And then last I got raises the bars. I like to have some sort of protein granola bar for my first like snack after breakfast, before lunch. So I bought these, and then they had these ones, which they didn't have these the last time I went, so I got some of these to try as well. So that's pretty much what I got from Trader Joe's. Not a lot. I at least got the staple things that I really enjoy. And then of course I did the bulk of my shopping at Walmart, which again, I'm not going to show because I got way too much stuff. And like I said, freezer things need to go. So I'm going to put all this stuff away, and then I need to run to Food Line to see if I can find chicken cordon bleu. Okay, so I've taken a break, pulled my hair back, washed my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the Chex Mix. I love to make this time of year, especially homemade, because I can put what I want in it. I hate to say it, but I don't like the wheat Chex, so I always kind of do it half and half, corn and rice. I think it's from the Chex website, the recipe I'm using. I'll try to link it down below. And then I also have mini pretzels and rye chips, garlic rye chips that I put in it, besides the butter and seasonings. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a batch, maybe 2. We'll see how much cereal I got. Definitely want to try to use it up because I'm tired of the boxes sitting in the kitchen. But I'm gonna just kind of show you what I'm doing, and then like I said, I'll link the recipe down below. Now that the Chex Mix is done and cooling so I can put it away, I'm gonna do a quick little like yoga flow. It's one of the Tone It Up ones that are on YouTube back in the day when they used to put them on there. I'm done with yoga and that actually felt kind of nice. So that was good to do. I needed to stretch out my legs. I keep getting random cramping in it. And I've been trying to be very gentle about my workouts because my ankle's been really sore for the last couple weeks. So that was quite enjoyable. I'm a little sweaty, but I'm gonna cool down and then I think I might put on a Christmas movie. Okay, I got myself some hot chocolate and we're gonna go ahead and watch a Christmas movie. I've been trying to balance like my Vlogmas for all the YouTubers I watch, Hallmark movies, and then also I have a bunch of Christmas DVDs that I do like to watch at least once. So we're gonna watch one of the DVDs and then I'll probably work on editing a little bit this video. Okay, so I'm gonna watch the 12 Men of Christmas. This I think was a Lifetime movie at one Christmas and I happened to find it somewhere really cheap, so I do watch this at least once. It's a little while later, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner, which again, I don't plan meals on my days off. But when I was at Walmart, I found this Campbell's chicken wonton soup. I thought I'd give that a try for dinner. And then I think I'm gonna have a couple pieces of the sourdough bread toasted with some butter. I think that sounds like a simple, good meal. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that made and then I'll eat it. Here's dinner, just a couple pieces of toast and this chicken wonton soup, I guess. We'll see how it tastes, but I'm gonna go eat dinner and keep watching my movie. Dinner's over and update on the soup. It kind of just tasted like chicken noodle soup, but a different shaped noodle. But either way, I had dinner. I feel filled up and really all I'm gonna do is watch more Christmas movies and keep editing this video. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope you got to enjoy a little day in my life, I guess, and some of the stuff that I do on a day off. And maybe you'll get to make some of that homemade Chex Mix for yourself. But I hope everybody had a blessed day. Until next time.